Chapter 13, Data Handling.
Hey, look at the red bus. It's so different from the other buses.
Yes, you are right.
So, many buses are passing by the road. Hey, let's pen down how many buses are passing away between 4 and 4:50 p.m.
Okay, I'll bring the pen and paper. Number of buses passing the traffic lights between 4 p.m. and 4:50 p.m. are 20 on Monday, 25 on Tuesday, 43 on Wednesday, 19 on Thursday, 25 on Friday.
They made the following observations. The greatest number of buses that passed by was on Wednesday. The number of buses on Thursday was the least. The number of buses that passed by over the week was between 19 and 43. On Tuesday and Friday, the number of buses was the same. Pictograph.
We can show the number of buses passing the traffic lights between 4 p.m. and 4:50 p.m. in pictograph also. The key is one big bus is equal to 10 buses. One small bus is equal to 1 bus. Now we can show the number of buses between 4 and 4:50 in the afternoon in a pictograph. On Monday, number of buses are 2 big bus. One big bus is equal to 10 buses. Thus on Monday, the number of buses crosses between 4 p.m. to 4:50 p.m. are equal. This is an example of a pictograph. It is more attractive to look at than a table. From the pictograph above, you can calculate the number of buses that passed by the traffic lights on each day. Tuesday and Friday. 2 multiplied by 10 plus 5, which is equal to 20 plus 5, that is 25. Wednesday. 4 multiplied by 10 plus 3, which is equal to 40 plus 3, that is 43. Thursday. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. By looking at the pictograph without calculating, you can say that the number of buses was the same on Tuesday and Friday, and the least number of buses was on Thursday, and the greatest number of buses was on Wednesday. A pictogram or pictograph presents data in a picture form. It consists of 4 parts. It has a title, it has labels or categories, it has pictures or symbols, and it has a key. In the above pictograph, the title is How many buses between 4 and 4:50 in the afternoon. The labels are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The pictures used are that of 2 sizes of cartoon buses. The key tells you that one big bus stands for 10 buses and one small bus stands for 1 bus.